Welcome back, Glam Squad. It's me, Gigi, and today we're doing a press-on set for a birthday girl. Let me explain yesterday, though. You got an extra video yesterday, and that is courtesy of a mistake that I made with my collab with Omnia's Wish. We're going to start by painting these two nails this pinky red. The more coats you get, the more red it gets, but it does have a pinky vibe, and that is because we are doing TikTok inspired nails, and the red in the TikTok logo is a very pinky red, so that's why I chose that. And then we're going to do this really pretty teal blue that I kind of think of as a Tiffany teal, right? Because it's got that sort of quality. And then we're going to do two in this really pretty white. Okay, while I paint those, the video that you got yesterday was supposed to go up today. I made a big mistake, and I thought that Omnia's video on her channel, Omnia's Wish, was already live and viewable because I was able to view it, which I know I'm a YouTuber. I know that she probably still had it listed as private, so I just panicked and went, oh, hers is up, let me put mine up too. Hers is going up today. I think it's up now. Guys, go check it out. Check out yesterday's video. It's your extra video, 4 videos this week instead of 3, so congratulations. Now I'm taking that same red polish and I'm mixing this red glitter with it because I don't have a red glitter polish that I want to use for this. Actually, I don't have one at all. But I've made this mix before, and as soon as this idea was presented to me, and I'll get into that in a second, I knew I wanted to make the glitter red because I love this glitter red. This glitter with that red are a perfect combo. Look at how shiny that is. Look at how perfect it is. And so that's why we did this. Okay, so the reason I'm making these nails for this birthday girl, I'm in a group on Facebook, and we all just sort of help each other out with ideas or things or services or whatever. And one of the moms in there was like, I got a 16-year-old, she likes all these things, needs some inspiration and some help with some presents. And I'm like, girl, one of the things she listed was nails. I'm like, oh, could I make her a custom press-on set? And she's like, oh my God, yes. And the first thing she said was that she loves TikTok and she loves the TikTok logo. And I'm like, I really cannot draw that logo. I know it's a simple logo and a really talented nail artist could pop that out in 2 seconds. I cannot make that happen. I'm sorry, but I do have the TikTok colors. And so I decided to go ahead and just represent the colors of the brand. And so she still gets the TikTok vibe without me having to beat my head against the wall trying to hand letter and draw something that I really, it would take so much practice. And now there's a second reason. Okay, so we're going to do the swirl trend. We're still going to do a trendy set, but you know those swirly lines. We're going to do the swirly lines. Wavy, not swirly, wavy lines. So the wavy line trend is still really big. I'm seeing a lot of that for winter and fall. So I figured let's do that trend and marry it with the TikTok colors. So that way she gets some nice trendy nails and she gets the colors representing the app that she loves so much. And hopefully that will, you know, please a 16-year-old, which honestly can sometimes be hard to do because they are unpredictable. But like I was about to say, the second reason why I really wanted to do this set for her is her birthday's the day before my birthday. And being a December baby, I know having a birthday that close to Christmas is not always the best. So I just felt compelled, like I've got to make something for this girl. So that's why these nails are being made today. And my mistake yesterday is why this is your Monday video, because I had no intention of making TikTok nails. anytime soon. But sometimes the universe, don't forget your cleanup brush. When you make a mistake, try to clean up before you wipe away, because sometimes a simple swish of that cleanup brush will be your best friend, right? It really helps. So anyway, that is why you're getting 2 reasons here. The universe sends you a curveball, and you deal with that, right? It's like when you get lemons, you make lemonade. And I don't think of anything that happened as lemons per se, but my mistake and an inspiration from an outside source brings it all together for A, 4 videos this week, and B, some really cool TikTok nails. Because honestly, once I got started, I got so inspired. I really had a great time making these nails. I actually did 15 in total for her. I tried to do a set that fits me all the way across, and then all the incidental sizes in the other ones, so that she can mix and match and do what she needs to. Because I assume her nail beds are not the same size as mine, but probably not that far off. So I figured if I gave her everything that would fit me for a full set, plus a bunch of other sizes to go in, and anywhere where it doesn't fit, that would give her a full set. So, and I've got some cool tabs and stuff, so I'll put that in with that for her as well. And hopefully these will be her birthday nails, right? Or at least something she enjoys whenever she decides to wear them. So now this one, I went kind of crazy there, and it kind of worked out, because when I came in with the cleanup brush, it gave me the swoosh angle I was looking for. And I had a really good time with that. Sorry, I dipped a little out of frame there. Pro moves. Your girl Gigi got those pro moves down. So these, guys, I'm so happy I did this. These nails are so adorable, and I just feel like really excited to have the thought of my work out there being worn by somebody. So I'm jazzed that I did this. So what I'm doing now is coming in with a base coat, because these 2 are gonna feel not super smooth if you didn't put down a nice base coat. And I was very generous as well with the top coat, so that when you touch these nails, they've got more of a smooth finish. But let's go ahead and top coat these 5. I'm only going to show you these 5, because otherwise this video would be 45 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. So I'm just going to keep it to these 5, but I am going to reveal all 15 of the nails so that you can enjoy them. And hopefully once she gets these, I can get a picture of her wearing them from her mother. So if that happens, I will pop that up on my Instagram for you guys, of course. Look at that red glitter. I love it. Guys, these are the finished 5. I love these nails. I love this twisty, turny trend with the lines. I love all of the 15 nails together. I know you can't see the thumbs, but honestly, I think these nails would be awesome for anyone who's in love with TikTok and in love with trendy nails. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We're gonna see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.